Greetings, savvy minds. You're tuned into Investor Web, your guide to making smart financial decisions. Our mission here is to empower you with knowledge, and today we're tackling a topic that's often a source of stress for many: student loans. We'll explore alternatives that could save you from the potential pitfalls of debt. So, if you're considering getting a student loan or know someone who is, keep watching. This video might change your mind. To understand the alternatives, we first need to delve into what student loans entail. At their core, student loans are borrowed money meant to cover the cost of higher education. This borrowed money accrues interest over time, which can lead to a hefty sum to be paid back once you've completed your studies. While the specifics of interest rates can vary, the general rule of thumb is this: the longer it takes to pay back the loan, the more interest you'll accumulate. It's not uncommon for students to face tens of thousands of dollars in debt after graduation, a financial burden that can take years, if not decades, to shake off. This burden can be a significant roadblock to achieving financial independence and stability post-graduation. With the burden of student loans in mind, let's explore some alternatives. The first alternative to student loans is scholarships and grants. Now, what are these exactly? Scholarships and grants are financial aids offered to students primarily based on their merit or need. The best part about them? They do not need to be repaid. Yes, you heard it right. This is free money for your education. Scholarships typically reward students for their academic achievements, talents, or community service. They can come from various sources, such as universities, private organizations, or even government agencies. The key to scoring a scholarship is to maintain a strong academic record and to actively participate in extracurricular activities. Grants, on the other hand, are typically need-based. They are designed to help students who might not otherwise be able to afford higher education. They might be offered by the government, your university, or private organizations. To apply for grants, you'll usually need to fill out forms that demonstrate your financial need, like the free application for federal student aid, commonly known as the FAFSA in the United States. Applying for scholarships and grants may require some effort, but the potential rewards are well worth it. You might need to write essays, gather letters of recommendation, or even sit for interviews. But remember, every dollar you receive is a dollar less you'll need to borrow and pay back with interest. The benefits of scholarships and grants go beyond just the financial aspect. They can also enhance your resume, as they're seen as a recognition of your hard work, talent, or service. Winning a scholarship or grant can make you stand out in future job applications or when applying for further studies. So start early, research thoroughly, and apply for as many scholarships and grants as you can. Remember, every little bit helps, and it all adds up in the end. Scholarships and grants are a great way to finance your education, but they're not the only option. So let's move on to our next alternative to student loans. Stay with us. Another excellent alternative is participating in work-study programs. These are unique initiatives that allow students to work part-time while they study, thereby earning money to fund their education. Work-study programs are typically offered by colleges and universities, and they are a brilliant way to earn while you learn. Let's delve a bit deeper into what these programs are all about. They are essentially financial aid programs that provide part-time employment to students who are enrolled in school. This is not your typical part-time job, as the work is often related to your course of study, providing you with valuable experience. So, how do work-study programs operate? Here's a quick overview. First, you apply for a work-study program through your school's financial aid office. If you're eligible, you'll be matched with a job on campus, or sometimes even off campus, related to your studies. This could be anything from working in the school library, assisting in a research lab, to helping out in the administrative office. You're then paid at least the federal minimum wage, and these earnings go directly towards your tuition and other education-related expenses. What's great about these programs is their flexibility. They are designed to accommodate your class schedule, which means you won't have to worry about your work interfering with your studies. Plus, the experience you gain can be invaluable in your future career, giving you a head start in the job market. The benefits of work-study programs are numerous. They help reduce the financial strain of tuition, they provide valuable work experience, and they give students a taste of the real world before they graduate. It's a win-win situation. You're not only earning money to help pay for your education, but you're also gaining practical experience that can be a significant advantage when you enter the workforce. Work-study programs can help reduce the financial burden of your education, but we've still got more alternatives to explore. Yet another alternative to student loans is securing a part-time job or an internship. Now, this might sound a bit daunting, especially when you're trying to balance your studies, social life, and perhaps even sleep, but hear me out. Part-time jobs and internships are not just about earning money. They're about gaining valuable experience, making connections, and sometimes they might even lead to a full-time job offer after graduation. Let's tackle part-time jobs first. These jobs can range from working at your campus bookstore to becoming a barista at a local coffee shop. The beauty of having a part-time job is that you're not only earning money to finance your education, but you're also learning important life skills such as time management, customer service, and teamwork. Internships, on the other hand, are often related to your field of study. They can be either paid or unpaid, but they provide you with invaluable industry experience. You get to apply what you've learned in the classroom to real-world scenarios. You also get a chance to network with professionals in your field, and who knows, one of them might end up being your future employer. Now you might be wondering, where can I find these part-time jobs and internships? Well, there are many online platforms that you can use. Websites like Indeed, LinkedIn, and Glassdoor are great places to start. Your university career center can also be an invaluable resource. Remember, every job or internship you take on is a step towards your future. It's not just about the money, it's about the skills and experience you gain along the way. Part-time jobs and internships can provide both income and experience, but let's not stop here. Our final alternatives to student loans are community college and online education. Let's kick off this segment with community colleges. Often overlooked, these institutions offer a more affordable path to higher education compared to traditional universities. Community colleges generally have lower tuition rates, making them a fantastic option for those seeking to save on education costs. Plus, they offer smaller classes, providing a more intimate learning environment where students can receive individualized attention. Another advantage of community colleges is that they offer 2-year associate degrees. These degrees can either be used to enter the workforce immediately in specific fields or as a stepping stone towards a 4-year bachelor's degree. By completing the first 2 years of study at a community college, you can then transfer to a traditional university to finish your degree, potentially saving tens of thousands on tuition. Now let's shift gears and talk about online education. With advancements in technology, online learning has become more popular and accepted than ever before. Online programs offer a flexible learning environment that can be accessed from anywhere at any time. This flexibility is perfect for those who have other commitments like a full-time job or family responsibilities and can't commit to the rigid schedules of traditional universities. Online education also tends to be more affordable than traditional schooling. Some online programs offer flat-rate tuition regardless of residency status. This can lead to significant savings, especially for out-of-state students. Moreover, you'll save on other expenses such as commuting, housing, and meal plans. However, it's important to ensure the online program you choose is accredited. This means the school's programs meet certain standards of quality. Accreditation is crucial as it affects the value of your degree and your ability to transfer credits or pursue advanced degrees. Community colleges and online education are affordable ways to pursue your degree without the burden of student loans. So before you sign your life away on a student loan, consider these alternatives. They could be your ticket to a debt-free education. So there you have it, alternatives to student loans that can help you finance your education. We've explored scholarships and grants, work-study programs, part-time jobs and internships, as well as community college and online education. Each of these paths offers its own unique benefits, allowing you to gain knowledge without accruing debt. Thanks for tuning into InvestorWeb. Remember to subscribe and share this video with those who might find it helpful. Until next time, make wise financial decisions.